Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of aviation to uncover the remarkable success story of Emirates Airlines. Despite the turbulence faced by the airline industry, Emirates has managed to soar to incredible heights, becoming a true legend in the skies. So fasten your seatbelts as we explore how Emirates is winning when other airlines are facing bankruptcy. Imagine a world where airlines come and go, facing financial struggles and bankruptcy. But amidst this turmoil, there's one airline that has defied the odds and established itself as a true industry icon: Emirates Airlines. With its opulent cabins, exceptional service, and a reputation for excellence, Emirates stands out as a shining example of what can be achieved in the competitive aviation landscape. Now let's talk about Dubai's strategic location, a pivotal factor in Emirates' success. Nestled at the crossroads of continents, Dubai serves as an international transit hub connecting major global economies. With just an 8-hour flight from 60% of the world's population, including bustling markets like India, China, Africa, and Europe, Dubai's geographical advantage played a crucial role in the rapid growth of Emirates. The story of Emirates begins in the late 1960s, when Dubai was a far cry from the sprawling metropolis we know today. In a bold move, the visionary leaders of Dubai decided to venture into the aviation business. Despite having minimal government capital, instead of purchasing planes outright, Emirates adopted a smart approach known as wet leasing. This allowed them to lease aircraft with complete crews and maintenance from other airlines, allowing Emirates to hit the skies in just a matter of months. Within a mere 9 months of its inception, Emirates turned profitable. This was just the beginning of an incredible journey that would see the airline's meteoric rise in the years to come. So with Dubai's strategic location as its launchpad and a unique approach to aviation, Emirates was well on its way to becoming a powerhouse in the industry. But there's so much more to this story. Stick around as we delve into the strategies that have propelled Emirates to the top, including labor management, fuel efficiency, and an unmatched synergy with Dubai's tourism. Emirates' success isn't just about aircraft and routes. It's about the people behind it. The airline's approach to labor management has been pivotal in maintaining its profitability. With a workforce composed of over 116 nationalities, Emirates boasts a diverse and skilled team. This diversity not only enriches the airline's culture, but also minimizes the risk of coordinated labor actions. Over the past 3 years, Emirates has kept its average employee cost at a remarkable 21.6% of operating revenue. In contrast, major airlines like United Airlines and British Airways have seen labor costs account for 42.1% and 33.8% of operating revenue, respectively. Now let's talk fuel strategy. As we know, fuel costs are a significant challenge in the aviation industry, but Emirates took this challenge head-on with a multifaceted approach. For most airlines, fuel costs make up around 30 to 40% of their revenue. However, thanks to its clever fuel strategy, Emirates has managed to keep its fuel cost well under control. One of the ingenious moves was fuel hedging. By entering agreements with other entities, Emirates secured stable fuel prices, shielding them from the volatile oil market. This strategy gave them not only financial stability, but also the flexibility to invest in other areas, like marketing and customer service, without worrying about sudden fuel price spikes. They say that age is just a number, but when it comes to an airline's fleet, it's a number that truly matters. Emirates understood this concept well and made strategic decisions to maintain a young and efficient fleet. The average age of an Emirates fleet stands at just 9 years. Now compare that to British Airways, with an average fleet age of 13.9 years, and United Airlines with a whopping 16.7 years. This matters because a younger fleet translates to greater fuel efficiency and less maintenance cost. That's right, a 1% increase in the average fleet age can lead to a nearly 7% increase in fuel expenses. Emirates' investment in maintaining a young fleet not only reduces fuel consumption, but also contributes to the reputation for operational excellence. As we delve deeper into Emirates' remarkable story, we must talk about the unique bond between the airline and Dubai's flourishing tourism industry. It's a relationship that goes beyond coexistence. It's a symbiotic partnership that has fostered both entities' growth and prosperity. Think about it. Emirates' extensive global network has played a pivotal role in driving tourists to Dubai's iconic attractions, while Dubai's vibrant tourism scene has in turn boosted Emirates' passenger numbers. This harmonious connection has resulted in a win-win situation where both the airline and the city share in each other's success. Moving on to another crucial aspect of Emirates' triumph, its impeccable marketing and branding efforts. The airline's reputation as a luxury carrier isn't just happenstance. It's the result of strategic planning, attention to detail, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Emirates has masterfully woven a narrative of opulence and grandeur, inviting passengers to experience air travel like never before. From lavish in-flight experiences to world-class entertainment, every aspect of their service speaks volumes about their commitment to offering a 5-star hotel experience at 30,000 feet. Now, let's extract some invaluable lessons from Emirates' triumphant journey. Lessons that can resonate with businesses of all sizes and industries. One takeaway is the power of frugality. Emirates' early decisions to invest judiciously and make every dollar count set the stage for sustainable growth. It's a reminder that thoughtful financial management can make all the difference in an unpredictable business landscape. Another lesson is risk mitigation. Emirates' strategic labor policies and fuel hedging policies showcase the importance of identifying and managing potential risks proactively. In a world where uncertainties are the norm, preparing for the unexpected can spell the difference between success and struggle. And let's not forget the lesson of synergy. The seamless collaboration between Emirates and Dubai's tourism industry underscores the power of leveraging complementary products for mutual benefit. Businesses can thrive when they recognize the potential of working hand in hand with partners who share their goals. As we approach the conclusion of this journey, let's reflect on the enduring nature of Emirates' success and its promising future. With a solid foundation built on prudent decisions, symbiotic partnerships, and unwavering dedication, Emirates is poised for sustainable growth. As global economies recover and air travel picks up, Emirates' unique strategies position it to continue its legacy of profitability. As we wrap up this episode, it's clear that Emirates' success isn't just about airplanes and routes. It's about embracing change, forging strategic partnerships, and making decisions that set the course for long-term profitability. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Emirates Airlines' triumphs and strategies. If you've found value in today's discussion, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of business and beyond.